Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Emmanuel here again, and today's video I'm going to do a review on a cream called White Secret. So this is my store. As I'm moving my camera for you to see my store, can you see my store? This is my store. This is where I sell cosmetics products. I'm into cosmetic beauty products, something that will make your skin to be glowing, nourishing, and I also sell anti-aging products. So today's content, I'm going to build my own content today in this White Secret lotion. So this is the one of the best whitening cream I have ever known since I'm into cosmetics products. So can you see the cream? This is the original cream of White Secret product. So guys, if you need something that will white your skin, that will make your skin to be glowing and bright you perfectly, you need this White Secret. White Secret is one of the highest and best cream to light your skin, to bleach your skin. This is bleaching cream. Understand? This is bleaching cream. So this lotion has 3 sets. This one is the medium size. Can you see this one? It has medium size. This is the medium size of original White Secret. This is the original White Secret. This one is the small of it. This one is small White Secret lotion. This is small one. Can you see it? It's a small lotion. So why this one is big lotion? This one is the big lotion. Can you see this one? I have White Secret on my store. Can you see it? It's a big lotion, guys. So in today's video, the review I'm going to do today is because of this White Secret. And this White Secret has soap. You can see this is the soap. It is how the original soap of White Secret look like. So this is the soap. Let me bring it out for you guys to see. Sorry. I need to remove it. This is the original of White Secret soap. No problem. So this is the original White Secret soap that I'm using. That is it. So, and White Secret still have face cream. This is the face cream. This is the face cream of White Secret. This is the face cream.